Hello everybody. I am going to do a very quick review of the E-Blox Circuit Blocks light set. This allows you to build your own custom projects using transparent blocks that contain LEDs in them. And there are 32 pieces, which include 25 transparent spacers. But a lot of the blocks do have LEDs in them, which are different colors. And what's interesting is that it looks as though you can control them with sound using an app on your phone. Now this kit takes 3 AA batteries, and here are the parts. There are far fewer pieces in this kit than the previous Circuit Blocks kit that in which I have demonstrated the projects. There. So here are the spacers. There are 23 of them. Here's the battery holder, and there's a cover that goes over it. And then you have your own, you have some small kind of like step wires, single snap wires, single block wires to raise pieces up so that they are level. They can make electrical connections. And then under here is the manual, which really just shows you different ideas, different things you can build. They don't have specific instructions for how to build them, but they just show examples. You just use your imagination with this kit. But I may be able to build some creations in which I can demonstrate in a separate video to you. You have the multi-function control modules. Now the spacers come in different colors, like these are all spacers. Not all of them are clear white. But with that said, thank you very much for watching the introduction to this kit. Please stay tuned for more videos like these.